Hello again, it's me and him. Welcome back, Mr. B, to Shade Titli.
It's nice to be back.
Good. I thought today we'd make a spotted dick. No, nothing like that, nothing like that. Spotted dick is a steamed pudding, and normally spotted dicks are a bit boring. So I thought today we'd bam it up a bit by making a chocolate spotted dick. Mix together 150 grams of plain flour, 75 grams of shredded suet. If you can't get suet, just use lard or butter. 40 grams of caster sugar, 1 heaped tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix together until the mixture is light and crumbly. Light and crumbly. Add in 60 grams of currants which have been soaked in rum and a teaspoon of orange zest. Mix well. Add about 125 mils of milk, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, and stir well to form a soft dough. Here we have a 1 litre pudding basin which has been greased, and there's a small disc of greaseproof paper on the bottom. Spoon in the mixture and cover the top with a layer of greaseproof paper. Now cover the bowl with a piece of foil that's got a 1-inch pleat in the centre, secured with string or elastic bands, and cut off any excess foil. Pop the basin in a large saucepan. Fill the saucepan with water until it's about halfway up the pudding basin. Then bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, pop on the lid, turn the heat right down and leave it to simmer for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove from the pan and remove the foil. Remove the disc, then turn out onto a plate. Remove the paper disc and there's your chocolate spotted dick. Bam! Serve warm with lashings of custard. That's a pretty nice spotted dick you made there, Mr. B. Did you like it?
Much.
Did you like it?
I did, very much.
Excellent.
So why is it called spotted dick then?
Who knows? But I will tell you a true story. I was walking through a churchyard somewhere near Newcastle. I can't remember why. Maybe I'd been ringing or something. And I'm walking along and there's a guy sitting on a bench in front of me. And as I get closer to him, he stands up and dropped his kegs. And I'm not kidding you. It looked like that spotted dick. I pity his poor wife. So, anyway, that's enough for this time. Say ta-ra, Mr. B.
Ta-ra.
And it's ta-ra from me.